Hola, hola! Let's talk adjetivos demonstrativos. These can be a little confusing, but hopefully a little explanation, maybe we can get this figured out, all right? Now, a really important thing when it comes to choosing the correct one is going to be identifying masculine, feminine, singular, plural. A word is plural if it has an S on the end. Easy. Masculine, feminine can be a little more tricky. I did put a video on the YouTube channel about distinguishing between masculine and feminine, so if you're not quite sure how to do that, please go watch that, because if you can't do that, this is going to be a lot more confusing. All right, so basically all of these little words over here just mean this, that, these, and those in English. And we're just clarifying which object we are talking about when we use these. And all of it is related to distance. So if you want to say this or these, something close to you, a nice clue word for something close to you is aquí, and you have some extra clue words in your lesson, so you can go back and review those. So you're saying something is here, it's close to you. This pencil, these books. You're going to use any one of these, but you have to make sure it matches in gender and number. So your masculine ones are este and estos, and your feminine ones are esta, estas. Okay? Now, if something is a little bit farther away from you, you could say there with allí. All right, you're going to use ese, esa, esos, or esas to say that or those, whatever it is that's over there. Maybe not quite reaching distance, but you could probably still point to it. It's a little bit subjective when it comes to distance. Now, if something is allá, it is way far away. It's over there. You may not even be able to see what it is you're talking about, but if you want to say that or those way far away from you, you're going to say aquel, aquella, aquellos, or aquellas. Okay, and a little phrase that I like to use to help remember these is this and these have T's, that and those don't. So if you want to say this or these words have T's in them. Okay, if you want to say that or those, none of those words have T's in them. So this and these have T's, that and those don't. It's just a nice little phrase to help you remember. Hopefully that gives a little bit of clarification. It's really all about distance and where it is and what you're trying to clarify. But if you do not understand masculine, feminine, singular, plural, then it's going to be really hard to match which one of these goes with libro if you wanted to say this book. All right, so let me know if that helps. Hopefully it does, and feel free to shoot me questions anytime.